Yeah, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. It's not depend on the time you're listening to this. It can be in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening. So this is for JSS1. And in this third time, I think we have up to like 10 topics for this third time. The first one is computer processing. Second one is importance of computer as a tool for processing data. The device, which is number 3. Number 4, types of computer. Number 5, uses and application of computer. Number 6, advantages and disadvantages of computer. Computer has advantages and has disadvantages. Mastery of keyboard, that is number 7 now, and number 8. Then number 9, screen point device. Then number 10, mouse techniques. So we're going to talk, I'm going to do the teaching on computer processing. I've done that before, I've taught you in the class. But for those of you that want to listen, so computer processing, the definition. In computing, a process is an instance of computer programming that is being executed. It contains programs code and its currently activity, depending on the operating system. So simply, don't let me be going to this BB grammar. Processing in computer simply means when you get the raw fact, the raw data, maybe a video you recorded. Let's use the broadcaster as an example. Where there's an incident somewhere, maybe a riot. Okay, let's look the last election we had in Nigeria. You know, most of the broadcasters went to the polling booth, the units where those things were, the election were done. They went to the place, they recorded the whole program. So they will take it back to their various offices to do editing, remove the unwanted things. Maybe the video they recorded, maybe there are some people who were talking anyhow. Maybe they encounter some hooligans, the touts on the road, and they recorded them. When they are recorded, they will be taken to their offices. They need to remove some things and add some things. Okay, look at now the video you're watching. I'm sure you can see those lettering, the subtitle. Everything I'm speaking, you can read it here. So I did the recording. After the teaching were recorded, so I did computer processing by inserting, by putting all these things you're looking at, all the lettering, the name, the computer processing, they were not there before. So all these were done doing the computer processing. For some of you who could not hear what I'm saying, to read and understand what I'm saying. So doing computer processing, some things will be removed and some will be added. Names will be typed and you will see it. So it is simply a way of doing some editing, and all these are done on computer. In computing, a process is an instance of computer program that is being executed. It contains the program code that's currently and it is current activity. It depends on the operating system, that is the brain of the computer. It depends on the computer you are using. There are different types of applications that are being used in doing computer processing. So when you read more, computer processing, the rapid development of science and technology has changed the patterns of life now. Everything processing, gathering information, or any aspect of the various areas that we are previously done manually. You know, we are in jet age. Introduction and invention of computer helped us a lot and make some things that are not original. Computer make it look so original. Look at Photoshop and video shop. Do you know they can remove somebody, they can take a picture of 2 or 3 people and change their head? I don't know if you really know this. Even in video, in some video they will remove some people and put some people. These are done doing computer processing simply by removing the unwanted things and inserting the things that they need. So computer processing is very simple. So this can be done by anybody. So let us move on. Everything processing, gathering of information, or any aspect of the various areas that were previously done manually, which gives a lot of risk or a lot of stress, has to be made more effective, faster, and more practical with the application of us or information technology or computer. covering the use in various fields, including business, financial institution, industries, education, administration. Other fields have their desire. Let me tell you, every organization now, in every company, they cannot do without computer. You know, before, there's nothing like HR are not that's really been employed in some organization, but presently, there's no company you go that you won't find HR. HR will now act like the boss of the company, because before their business is firing and hiring, they have to employ and sack. But presently, HR are more important than any other thing in any organization, and they cannot do without computer. There's nothing like carrying file from one place to another again. Before, if you enter any organization, if you go to the admin department, you will see bundle of files. They put it on each other. But presently, there's nothing like that because there's computer. And processing are done. What is processing? Sometimes they needed to remove some things and put some things. When you need to, before a raw data is unprocessed information. Why processed information is the information. When a raw fact gone through processing, it will become information. But if it has not gone through processing, it's just a raw data. So I'm sure you understand this. So next time, if we are talking about computer processing, I'm sure you'll be able to say something. Computer processing is easy. It's simply a way of removing the unwanted things and adding the things that are needed in any information. So I think by the next subject, the next one we're going to speak about is importance of computer as a tool for processing data. Importance of computer as a tool of processing data will be our next topic. So stay blessed. Please read your book. Read your book so that you can pass. So you know your exam is coming up very soon. Make sure you read your book. Thank you.